In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Asana API key. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you in retrieving that essential key to access Asana's functionalities programmatically. Let's begin. First, navigate to your Asana homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. On the Settings page, look for the Apps tab. Clicking this will lead you to a section that deals with third-party integrations and developer tools. Here you'll find the option labeled View Developer Console. This is where you'll gain access to all things related to API and app tokens. Once inside the developer console, you will want to focus on creating a new token. There's an option named Create New Token. Click on it, and a form will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new token. Choose a name that makes sense to you, something descriptive that will remind you of the token's purpose without any guesswork. Completing the token name, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. There's a checkbox provided for this. Make sure to read through the terms, as agreeing confirms that you're willing to comply with Asana's developer rules and guidelines. Once agreed, check the box. With the terms accepted, proceed by clicking the Create Token button. Following this, you'll see a pop-up containing your personal access token. It's crucial at this point to remember that this is the only time you'll be able to view this token. So, take a moment to copy it carefully. You might want to paste it into a secure, easily accessible place like a password manager or a secure document file. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your Asana API key. With this key, you can now start exploring Asana's API to integrate and enhance your workflows. Remember, safeguarding this key is important to prevent unauthorized access to your Asana data. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel confident in navigating the developer side of Asana. Should you have any further queries or require clarification, feel free to reach out through the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tech insights. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.